Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen refresh rate in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 5G Ultra. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then here select motion smoothness and as of now motion smoothness is set to adaptive. That means get smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Your phone will choose based on the conditions how many refresh rate should be there. Okay, here up to 120 Hz will be automatically applied. Okay, if you would like to use standard screen refresh rate, click on the second option, standard, and then it will set to 60 Hz. Get longer battery life by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 60 Hz. Okay, it will not exceed more than 60, so you can get longer battery life. Okay, click on apply. So motion smoothness is now changed, that is screen refresh rate is changed up to 60 Hz. If you would like to get more smoothness rather than battery life, click on adaptive and click on apply. Keep in adaptive so that your phone screen will be very smooth. Okay, in this way you can easily set any desired screen refresh rate in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.